organizing my church. You don't sing for assemblies, you don't sing for Catholic, you don't sing for this, sing for my church, Assemblies of God. So that I will know that I belong. Yes. Assemblies of God. The church don't finish.
I will kill you. Church, you know, or do they?
Okay, I take me to cherubim and seraphim.
What the bargain is in cherubim and seraphim?
No, you're already on the uniform. You're already on the uniform.
On the cherubim, hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hey, Hosanna. You're already on the uniform. Yes. Yes.
How go you cherubim?
All right, you're gonna get the cherubim. Can you take me to Celestial Church?
Celestia.
Yes. Okay, you know what will happen now? I have my ministry and worship online. If a church in Ghana says what God cannot do does not exist. NSPPD, Pastor Jerry's church, sing for me. Let's go. It's our church.
And the church in Abanago, what God cannot do. Only Gimnaga.
I got an NSPPD.
Even when you got a family church, you don't have a ministry.
I want a church. Stream of life or stream of joy.
Streams of joy.
Streams of joy. Let's go. You are God. I just noticed that Ogoga can only sing all these Western churches. Ogoga, if you know that you know what they are doing, take us to the deepest root of Pentecostal churches. Deepest root. People like Mahanago, people like Pachobasi, Israel Ayelela, Cornelius, take us to the days of the old Pentecostal. Can we go there? All right.